Hello guys, Brian here. Today I'm back for another Jurassic World dinosaur toy unboxing. I have 3 of them so far. I got them on Target on Black Friday. So let's just get into it. First of all, I have here the Strike Attack Cosmoceratops. It's in this relatively new Jurassic World survival packaging. I have unboxed some of these before. Not much on the sides, and here's the back. Let's just get into it. Also, if you're noticing, I'm back indoors. Mostly because I'm doing an unboxing in kind of at the night time or evening times instead of like mornings and afternoons. All right, just adjusted the legs. Here's the Cosmoceratops. It's a lot different from the other than we got on 2022. I mean, I could do a comparison, but I'm not gonna do it. Anyways, the sculpt is actually really interesting with these look like quills on the tail, and also the spines or spikes on the frill here with all these, like, I'm not sure if these are like horns or spikes, but they do seem to face downwards, and many of its spikes are or horns are kind of like curved out. Interesting. I like the osteoderms. I also like this little green color and its face. Interesting looking face. I'm also not sure why, for some reason, some of the horns have this nice dull brown or beige color. But these ones right here are just green colored. I mean, it kind of bothers me, but not really. But let's just get into articulation. So it can just move its legs. This one's kind of hard moving. Never mind. The back legs can also move. Here's the scan code on the foot right here. And here's the tail. It can also just move, but it's just a 360 rotation. Kind of pointless. The action feature here is if you press this button, its head will move. It goes down, up and down, like really instant. Like it goes up, and then it goes back down. It's a huge clicking noise. But I don't mind it. Cosmoceratops is pretty interesting. This toy here. Anyways, let's just get to the next one. I have here Wild Roar Ceratosaurus. This is the packaging here. Nothing much on these sides. And the back. Just, just a illustration. And I want to say something about the Wild Roar Pteranodon. If you remember last time I did this review, I couldn't get the little sound feature working for some reason, but after recording, it actually worked, but I had to kind of press it. How do I say it? What I'm trying to say is, after I was done recording that other video that I did, I think a few days ago, the action feature on this Pteranodon actually worked. And I mean, you know what? I think that's enough talking about the Wild Roar Pteranodon. What I'm trying to say is, after recording, I clicked the Pteranodon's little action feature, and it actually worked. I might actually put it on the description. Anyways, that's enough talking. I gotta go unbox this Ceratosaurus. Ugh. I got the tail. I got to connect this. Alright, that was really fast. Ceratosaurus. I like this little black color, the black colorings. And these really spiky little osteoderms on its back. Also the head. I thought that, can I tell you something? I actually thought the head would be a bit longer, but the head is a lot shorter than I thought. I mean, a bit shorter. I thought the head would be like this right here, kind of like this, instead of like this. I don't mind it though. I mean, that kind of bugs me because I like the head to be a bit longer though. But I mean, it is what it is, and it looks good. Not really that bad, to be honest. For the articulation, just you can move the arms, you can spread out. The legs can move as well too. No spreads. I'm not sure why the spreading was removed. And the tail can also move. I like the head. It's a huge horn. Anyways, the feature is you press this button and it makes noises. It glows like an orange color. Yeah, some of the sounds kind of sound similar to other ones from other dinosaur toys that make sounds. I mean, I don't mind it. Anyways, that's the Wild Rose Ceratosaurus. And the last one I have is the Wild Roar oh gosh, this is a really hard name. Brachionachinesis. Oh my goodness, that's a really hard name to spell out. But this is actually one of the Wild Roars that I wanted to get the most because of it. I mean, it's coloring, and I think the light up feature as well. It looks so good. I'm not gonna show the box since it's the same as the Ceratosaurus. Let's go get the tail out. Okay. Alright, there we go. Position the tail. And here is Brachionensis or something like that. What's it? Brachionensis or something. I don't know. This is a really hard name to spell, but a really cool looking figure. I think it's a pliosaur. My goodness, the body looks very chunky. I just realized the the back fins are really huge. I like the face. And also this striping on the jaw, a little silvery. And if I can go up on the mouth, that looks nice. It's a pretty weird and welcome addition to the Jurassic World Survival line, or the Mattel line, the Mattel line of Jurassic World toys. It's pretty huge. I mean, in comparison to Ceratosaurus, it feels like this one feels a bit bigger, looks a bit bigger than the Cerato. Articulation, the flippers, all four of them can rotate and I think they can spread. So you can get him into that position. You can have him like laying down, or you can get his flippers all. There we go, like that. I'll just, I'm not sure how to say it, but like a bit straight out or something like that. And the tail is just 360 movement. The action feature is is really nice. I mean, it's similar to the Ceratosaurus, except the button is on the top of the of this creature. Anyways, oh, what the? Okay, that's weird. There we go. Okay, I thought there was gonna be a situation where it's similar to the Wild Rotranodon that I unboxed, where the button wouldn't just work, but it did. It's supposed to be where, you know, the mouth opens, makes sounds, and it makes this really cool looking light, and it's a sea green light. I like the sea green lights. Now, the Ceratosaurus is orange. The Afrovenator that I unboxed like kind of like a week ago or something like that, made a green light, and then the Pteranodon, which I'm not gonna show, but it emitted like a blue light. I think. No, the boxes don't show the other one's lights. Only shows one that's doing it or something like that.